How to create a typewriter effect in Premiere Pro. Make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't make any mistake. Now, in order for us to proceed, I'm just going to go over and write, say for example, here, typewriter. Alright, just like so, typewriter effect. I'm going to go ahead and put this in the middle, say for example. Now, what you are going to do in order to continue is basically by dragging your clip, make sure that it is until where you want it to be. Now, in order to continue, go over to effects and you're going to look for crop. So go ahead and drag this one into the typewriter effect. You're going to go to effects control and then you're going to head to crop. Now from this point forward, I'm just going to skip around 20 keyframes or 30, just like so. And then I'm going to head over to right. So I'm going to click right. Now I'm going to go back at the beginning, click this once again, and I'm going to go ahead and max the value to 100. So if we are to play this one, there you go. Now we can go ahead and add some music in it. And there you go. This is what we have. And that is how to create a typewriter effect in Premiere Pro.